Welcome to Cooking with Frankie Meatball, Holiday Edition. You gotta love holidays. Holidays are the best, especially for family traditions. Well, one family tradition that I would love to share with you is a recipe. It's the Italian olive salad. Let me tell you, if it's Thanksgiving and I don't have Italian olive salad, guess what? It's not Thanksgiving. I gotta have Italian olive salad. Well, it's not Thanksgiving. You know what I'm talking about. So, I am honored to share this family tradition recipe with you guys. And hopefully, you like olives and you will make it. Because I'm telling you, this is good. I did about 6 to 7, 8 cloves of garlic. Don't know if I'm going to use it all, but I want to make sure I have it for when I get ready to throw it in. You know what I'm saying? So we're going to set our garlic to the side. We're going to use Italian parsley. Don't be afraid to chop it. Just run your knife through it. You want to chop your parsley nice and small, you know what I mean? It's gonna mix together real nice if it's small. And there's your parsley. We might use it all, we might not. But you know what? If we need it, it's there, okay? Get your schnips and get yourself some basil. I'm gonna just get in here and get some basil. Hey, how about Big Daddy Frank, huh? Big Daddy Frank rocking that guitar. Oh my God. Was that awesome or what, guys? So, you roll it up like normal. Chop it down the middle. Pull your knife out and just run your knife right through it. Nice and nice. We have our parsley. We have our garlic. We have my favorite, which is basil. And we have oregano. The oregano is already small. We just want to run our knife through it a couple times. Make it nice and nice. You know my motto? The fresher it is, the better it is. You know what I'm saying? So, if it rocks, I'm rolling. So anyway, I would love to hear some of your family traditions. I would love for you guys to share it. To share some of your traditions for the holidays. It could be for Christmas, it could be for New Year's, it could be for Thanksgiving. Email me at cookingwithfrankiemeatball@gmail.com. Email me some of your traditions, and the next episode, I will read them out and we will share it together. And I will give you a shout out. Please, I love hearing about people's traditions. And I'm sure there's other people too that would love to hear traditions. Share your traditions. You start with your celery. Cut it on an angle. It looks good. And you know what? It tastes better too. The better it looks, the better it tastes. You know what I'm saying? That's how it goes. If it doesn't look good, it's not going to taste that good. Carrots. Chop them in half this way, and then we're going to chop them in half that way. Same thing with the carrots on an angle. The carrots are chopped. You got your onion all open. Just, chop it down. Nothing fancy. Just, try to keep them all the same size. We have, again, try not to cry. But anyway, we have everything chopped up, ready to go, mise en place. I want you to get involved with the show. It's not just Cooking with Frankie Meatball. Yeah, I'm Frankie Meatball. But you know what, guys? So are you. When you watch the show, you're a part of the show. So I would love to hear your traditions, guys. I'm going to go wipe my face and get these olives ready, and I'll be right back, guys. I like to use 2 kinds of olives for my olive salad. I like to use Italian green olives and the Siggi olives. Or oil cured, whatever you want to call them. We call them Siggis. With the Siggis, they're very salty. They have the oil on them. What I like to do is just run them under the water. Gets all that. See, if you want to look, they got the oil on them and the it's black. So you don't want that in your dressing. You don't want that in your salad. After you rinse it off, shake the excess water off. Okay? And then just throw them in a bowl and set them to the side. Speaking about traditions, okay, one of my favorite traditions with this salad is when my father would make it, I would be right with him with a nutcracker. Guys, you want to get yourself a nutcracker and you want to just run down like that, okay? So this way you get some of the olive juice in there. And then, you know, if you want to hit a double dupe, boom, you go like that. But one of my traditions with this salad is when my father would make it, I would help him crack these olives, hoping he said I could eat one, you know? He always would say, no, don't eat any olives until we're done making the salad. But like when we would be squashing the olives like this, he would yell, here, Frank, eat one. I want to hear your stories. I love hearing people's tradition stories. It's great. I love family. Family's everything. Hit it like that, and then hit it like that. 2 reasons why you want to hit it twice with the nutcracker is you'll release the olive juice, and also when you go to eat it, the dressing that we make with it is in there, and it's easy to pull apart and eat. Email me at cookingwithfrankiemeatball@gmail.com. Email me your traditions, and I will read them on the next episode. Alright, we're just about done with these olives. A little time consuming, but you know, you'll get used to it. And remember, cup your hand, because when you squeeze them, the juice is going to squirt all over the place, and you don't want to get it in your eye. If you got a little olive juice laying behind, just throw that in there. Now we get our Siggis. Throw some in, mix it. Just throw a couple more in, good measure. Put them to the side. And now we're going to put our vegetables in. Well, put some of our onion in, and then mix it up. And now we're going to throw our carrots in. Put some carrots in. Let this salad sit overnight. Make it the night before Thanksgiving or 2 days before Thanksgiving. Let it sit. The longer it sits, the more the vegetables absorb the dressing. Now, throw the celery in. I'm going to throw the celery in and give it a mix. Every time you throw something in, give it a mix. Throw something in, give it a mix. Throw something in, give it a mix. Fresh garlic. Throw that in there. Alright, you mix the garlic in. Now we're going to put the oregano in. Okay, get that oregano in. You just give it a nice little mix. Make sure you get it all over everything again, you know what I mean? Throw in your basil. Throw in your basil, mix her up. Share your traditions. And if I get a lot of emails, I might even have a special episode where I just read your traditions and talk about them. So, let's get involved, guys. Alright, your bagels mixed together. Get your parsley. Alright, that's nice and mixed. We're going to hit it with some salt. Some pepper. I'm going to use 2 different oils, and I'm going to explain why. I'm going to use 2 different oils, and I'm going to explain why. I'm going to use some olive oil for taste. The reason why I can't use all olive oil is because when you refrigerate olive oil, what happens? It gets all clumpy, right? So I'm just going to use some of this for flavor and the rest for the dressing. I'll just throw some olive oil on it. Okay, that's about enough. Now you get your grapeseed oil, your canola oil, whatever you want to use. It's up to you. I am a fan of the grapeseed oil ever since I was introduced to it. Alright, you got your oils in, just give her a mix. You can just leave it with the oil. You know, it's still going to be good. You know, if you don't like that vinegary taste, you can leave it with the oil. I love the Sigis. And be careful, guys, with the seeds. Nobody wants you to choke. Anybody that's eaten it, they never had this before, make sure you tell them to watch out for it. One more seasoning, we're going to put some granulated garlic. That gives it a nice little oomph. Another shot of this, some salt. Another shot. Boom. Another. Boom. Added some granulated garlic, some more salt and pepper. Now we're going to do the vinegar. Just pour it on there. Not too much. Be careful what you're doing. I'm going to mix that up real nice. We have everything mixed in here. We have the oil, some olive oil, grapeseed oil, salt, pepper, all our herbs, and we added some granulated garlic, some vinegar, but give it maybe about 1 to 2 hours to rest in the refrigerator. This way, everything just marinates and comes together in the cold. Make sure you mix it before you serve it. So what we're going to do, I'm going to go stick this in the refrigerator. It's been chilling for 2 hours. Just going to give it a nice mix before you serve it. Get all the juices on the bottom. Bring them up top. Oh, man, does that smell good. I'm going to throw some in here. You know what? You want to throw in a nice bowl. You want to throw in a nice bowl. Like, again, these Wilmax bowls, amazing, guys. Amazing. Look at that. Look at the bowl. Beautiful serving bowl. Beautiful serving bowl. And make sure you scoop on the bottom, get some of that juice. Now this, my friends, is my family's traditional olive salad. The Italian olive salad. I'm telling you guys, it is amazing. Take a look at that. Take a look at that. What beauty that is. Again, guys, this is Wilmax Bowls. Check them out at wilmax.com. If you like what you saw, hit like and subscribe. Hit the notification button, and every time a new video comes out, you get a notification. Go to my Facebook page. You'll see the link for a t-shirt. Grab the t-shirt, $17.99. Perfect present for the holidays. Share the Frankie Meatball Mania. I'm telling you guys, here's a sticker for you. You can do whatever you want with the sticker, guys. Let's do it, guys. Email me your traditional stories. I want to hear your stories. I want to hear your traditions. Guys, again, email me for these stickers. Just stick them on your head. Stick them everywhere, anywhere you want. I'm telling you, I might even make a special episode dedicated to you guys. Reading all your traditions. We love to hear from you guys. Again, this is Frankie Meatball. This is Italian olive salad. And don't forget to brown your turkey. Everybody have a wonderful Thanksgiving. We'll see you later.